Nutrition in human beings. The food is mixed thoroughly with saliva and moved around the mouth while chewing by the muscular tongue. The saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase that breaks down starch. From the mouth, the food is taken to the stomach through the food pipe called esophagus. The muscular walls of the stomach help in mixing the food thoroughly with more digestive juices. The gastric glands present in the wall of the stomach release hydrochloric acid, a protein-digesting enzyme called pepsin, and mucus. Transportation in human beings. Blood consists of a fluid medium. Plasma transports food, carbon dioxide, and nitrogenous wastes. Indissolved red blood cells carry oxygen and nutrients. Platelets stops bleeding. White blood cells protect us from infection. Birth of a baby. The average duration of human pregnancy is about 9 months, which is called the gestation period. Vigorous contraction of the uterus at the end of pregnancy causes expulsion, delivery of the fetus. This process of delivery of the fetus is called parturition. Parturition is induced by a complex neuroendocrine mechanism. Wind power station. The kinetic energy of the wind is used to generate electricity using windmills. To generate electricity, the rotatory motion of the windmill is used to turn the turbine of the electric generator. Wind energy is an environment-friendly and efficient source of renewable energy. It requires no recurring expenses for the production of electricity. Nuclear fusion. Fusion means joining lighter nuclei to make a heavier nucleus, most commonly hydrogen or hydrogen isotopes, to create helium, such as 2H plus 2H gives 3 helium plus N. It releases a tremendous amount of energy, according to the Einstein equation, as the mass of the product is little less than the sum of the masses of the original individual nuclei. Environmental consequences. The burning of fossil fuels in the thermal plants causes atmospheric acids and bases in the laboratory. A substance is classified as base if it will ionize to form hydroxide ions in aqueous solutions. For example, when reacted with water, sodium hydroxide will dissociate into positive sodium ions and negative hydroxyl ions. When water is reacted with calcium hydroxide, it will dissociate into calcium 2 plus ions and hydrox. What happens when metals are burned in air? Metals react with oxygen to form their corresponding metal oxides. When cesium is heated with oxygen, it burns vigorously with a blue flame to form a white powder, cesium oxide. When magnesium is heated with oxygen, it burns with a white flame to produce magnesium oxide. Physical properties of non-metals are good conductors of heat. Take an aluminium rod. Clamp this rod on a stand. Fix a pin to the free end of the rod using wax. Heat the rod with a burner near the place where it is clamped. Quadratic equations. problems on quadratic equations 1. Solution. A minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Using this we can simplify x minus 2 whole square as x square minus 2 into x plus 2 square. A equals 1, b equals minus 6, c equals 8. 2. X into x plus 1 plus 8 equals x plus 2 into x minus 2. Nature of roots. The roots of the equation a x square plus bx plus c equals 0 are given by x equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4a. Now let us try to understand the nature of roots. Remember that zeros are those points where value of polynomial becomes 0. Perimeter and area of a circle. Pi r square gives you the area of a circle. Draw a circle, then divide it into large equal parts and arrange them in a rectangular formation. Then divide it into small equal parts. We will arrange them in the same manner. We divide the circle into even more smaller pieces. Every time, the shape becomes more like a rectangle. Area of a sector. Solved problem. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeters if angle of the sector is 60 degree. Solution. Solved problem. Solution. 2. Solution. Adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about nouns. Ram is a clever boy. Here clever describes the boy Ram. It was a big bus. Here big describes the noun bus. Adjectives usually go in front of the nouns they describe. Adjectives may sometimes be placed somewhere else in the sentence. The sky is blue. Here blue describes the noun sky. My hair is black. Here black describes the noun hair.